Hi everyone, my name is John Kern. I'm the Advanced Planning Project Coordinator at the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers Service. And I want to do a quick video about some estate planning concerns that folks have had and a few updates regarding the COVID-19 crisis. So estate planning, just quickly, it refers to the legal documents that you set up so that your wishes are known in the event of your passing. And obviously in this time, there are a lot of concerns, particularly about the healthcare system, but then some financial concerns and some about assets. So I want to go over quickly how this might affect folks that are thinking about doing these documents at this time. So the first of the three documents is the Advanced Healthcare Directive. And this is a very, very important document if you end up in the hospital because it speaks for you if for whatever reason you lose capacity, if you can't speak for yourself. So it has two parts. It has a living will, and in that living will, you get to say the type of treatment you'd like. So there's a lot of talk about ventilators right now and mechanical ventilation, and these are preferences that you can write there about that type of care. In addition, you get to name a healthcare agent. And that's someone who, in the case that you do lose capacity, they get to speak for you if you cannot speak for yourself. That person should be somebody that you very much trust, that's willing to be in touch with the hospital and that knows your values and can have that kind of conversation on your behalf. It's important to know that the healthcare professionals now are working very, very hard to honor these documents. And because sometimes people cannot go to the hospitals right now and visit loved ones, they are being able to do it remotely. So they're in contact, obviously over the phone, but also they're having video conferences with friends and family. So if you name someone as a healthcare agent, they're going to do the best they can to have those conversations remotely for that person. So it's very, very important to file a healthcare directive. My advice right now would be to go to mydirectives.com. It's an online service. It links with the Maryland CRISP system, which is the Chesapeake Region Informational System for patients, and it has all the electronic medical directives there. And your records will be, it'll have that with your records. So that's mydirectives.com. You don't need an attorney to do it. You can just do it yourself. You get to name a person and talk about your preferences. And the second is a financial power of attorney. And this is a document that if in the case, again, that you lose capacity, you can assign somebody that can help you with your financial needs. It can be in the case that you're not able to speak for yourself. You can also do it that it's durable. So that means that it's in effect at all times. So if someone needs to pay bills for you, if they need to get groceries for you, they're able to do that. And they can interact with the bank on your behalf. So it's a very, very powerful document. They do have access to your financial affairs, but it can be a huge help in this time when perhaps you want to stay in your homes and you want somebody else going out and helping you out with those kind of errands. So it's a very, very powerful document. The state of Maryland does not require that it be notarized at this point. However, we do suggest that you go through our attorneys to have one written up so that it can be written in the way that you'd like it to. So those two documents, in the case that you pass away, everything at that point goes to your will. So at that point, they're going to file your wishes in terms of your assets. So your will it's listing out who you want to get your things. And that's very, very important because without one, it's a very lengthy process of going through probate and trying to find out where your stuff is going to go and to whom it gets passed out to, and oftentimes we see people fighting in moments of crisis like that. So it's something you want to avoid. And the last thing is beneficiary designations. So you can do this with your bank accounts. You can name someone that the bank accounts pass to after you pass away. And also with your car, you can do the same thing at the NBA. I'm pretty sure they're still accepting beneficiary designations online at nba.com. Also, you look at your insurance policies, call them, see who it pays out to. These are all things that you can do on your own. But again, our attorneys are working now. Our paralegals are taking phone calls Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. You can talk to them and we'll connect you with our volunteer attorneys. Please, most important thing, stay safe, stay connected with those you want to, keep physical distancing, but keep your social bonds strong at this time. And these legal documents are one way to establish very, very strong social bonds in this time, and they can really be helpful. So thanks so much, and hope everybody's staying healthy. Bye.